Hello friends, welcome to Ilingo Notes. In this Linux tutorial, you will understand the difference between cat family command like cat command, zcat command, lolcat command and tag command. Okay. Now we will move to video. So the first command is cat command. So cat is one of the most widely popular Linux command and generally it is used to perform the file operations like file creation, display, text appending and files merging. So this is the main operations of the cat command. Suppose if you want to show the content of file content using cat command, simply type cat followed by file name, where file name is your existing input file. So this is the sample example. Now I will show the demo. So cat space ft.txt. So this is the simple usage for cat command. And next one is zcat command. So zcat stands for compressed cat. Okay. Normally if you want to view the content of the compressed file, the cat command will display the content with the encrypted format. Okay. So it will not show the perfect view. So if you want to show the perfect content of the compressed file, you can choose the zcat command. Okay. So here the compressed file actually end with .gz or .tgz. Okay. So usually the compressed file can be created using the gzip command. Okay. So the syntax is zcat. Z means compressed and existing file name. So gz means it is a compressed file. So in this example you can see the difference. So zcat and followed by your input compressed file. So coy.text.gz. So we can identify we can clearly view the content of the existing compressed file. Suppose if you want to view the compressed file using cat command, it will show only the encrypted format. So this is the difference between cat and zcat command. Now I will show the demo. Okay, first I will identify the compressed file. So here you can see the compressed file. So just type cat fm.txt. Okay. So the cat command will show only in the encrypted format. So if you want to view the perfect content, then use zcat. So clearly you can identify the content of the compressed file through the zcat. So this is a main purpose of using zcat command. The next one is a lolcat command. So it is one of the family of the cat command. It is a latest Linux command for Linux and other Unix versions, BSD and OS X. So unlike cat command, this command is used to show the file content with the rainbow colors in the terminal by default. So this is one of the highlighted features of the lolcat command. And another feature is that unlike cat command, this command is used to show the animation of your text message using the special option like option A for animation, D for duration. So if you are giving the specific duration, it will show the text with the animation effect. So these two features are not supported by cat command. Unlike cat command, it will support all the existing features like file operations like file creation, display, text appending and files merging. Okay, so the main usage is showing the animated text in the terminal and show the rainbow colors in the terminal and other file operations. And note, and this is the latest command developed by the REST language. So by default, this command is not installed on your machine. So if you want to use this command, first you need to install this command externally based on your Linux distribution. Okay, then apply in your terminal. So once you install, you can directly use lolcat space file name. So here file is the existing input file, and here you can see the difference. So this is the existing file through the lolcat. So it will show the file content along with the rainbow color effects. So every time it will show, it will change the colors. Okay. So this is the main difference. Now I will show the demo. So cats, this is my existing file. So when you are using cat command, you can't see any rainbow effect. You can't see any colors. Okay. So now I am using lolcat. I have already installed lolcat command. So here you can see the coloring effect. Okay. So next time if you type the command, you can see another different color. So every time it will give the different color views. Okay. And I already told that lolcat command is used to show the animation message. Now I am show the animated message. So in Linux, if you want to show the message, you can use either echo or print command. So you can give this command you can give the output of this command to lolcat command through the pipe. So lolcat, and option A for animation, and option D for duration, how many durations you want to show the animations. So I am giving the 200 seconds. Okay, now you can see the animations. So this is one of the highlighted features of using lolcat command. Okay, so 200 seconds it show the animations effect. So try this. And next one is a tag command. So it is a reverse model of cat command. It is also called as cat backward. But by default, the cat command will show the file content from top to bottom, but tag command will show the file content in the reverse order, that is bottom to top. And additionally, it is used for files concatenation and print the file contents in the reverse order. So this is the standard syntax. Tag file name, where file name is an existing input file. So here you can see the example, cat followed by ct.text. This is existing input file. It will show the content from top to bottom, but when you are using tag, you will get the reverse order, that is a bottom to top. So bottom Tokyo, Berlin, Perth, Sydney, London, Chennai and New York. Okay, now I will show the demo. So here the cat command will show the file content from the top to bottom. Now if you use a tag for the same input, so you will expect the reverse order. First Bangalore is the first, and Rome and Kovai and Kolkata, Chennai. In this way you can expect the output for tag command. So if you want to show the file content in the reverse model, simply you can use the tag command. Okay, so in this video hope you understand the difference between family of the cat commands like cat command, zcat, lolcat and tag. So cat command is generally used for file operations like file creation, appending files, merging and line numbers. Zcat is especially used to view the content of compressed text file, and lolcat it support all the operations of cat command. Additionally, it will support for animation text message, and it will show the file content with the rainbow color effect. And tag command, it is a reverse model of cat command. It is mainly used for file concatenation and show the file content in the reverse model. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you for watching.